Hello everybody, and welcome to another great auction. Today we have a snoring animated Santa. You can see big feet. He's got his little hand holds onto the blanket. Got his little beard, face. And all you do is hit this little button here. So cute. It is battery operated. If you flip over to the back side, as you can see, there's a little battery cap thing. I did have to, this has been sitting in a box, dust off a little bit of, there was some batteries that were previously in there. I dusted those off. It looked like it had a little battery acid, but it's fine, and as you can see, it works. I will not have the batteries in it whenever you receive it, so you will need 3 AA batteries. Thanks for looking, and good luck.